Shelling out for home repairs, not on our watch? Here are the top 10 ways to save your hard-earned pounds. 1. Become a DIY master. Learn the basics of plumbing, painting, and carpentry. 2. Compare prices. Don't settle for the first quote you get. 3. Recycle materials. That old wooden door? It's a new coffee table waiting to happen. 4. Prevent damage. Regular maintenance is cheaper than big repairs. 5. Buy in bulk. Got a big project? More materials often means bigger discounts. 6. Barter with professionals. Got a skill they need? Trade it for their services. 7. Buy second-hand. Pre-loved can be just as good as new. 8. Use energy-efficient materials. They save you money in the long run. 9. Do things in stages. Don't bite off more than you can chew financially. And 10. Get insurance. It's a safety net for unexpected costs. Remember, a penny saved is a penny earned. Now, go make those savings.